Welcome back to Myel's Luxury Auto. The 2026 Chevrolet Silverado is a truck built for those who believe strength, capability, and durability should never come at the expense of comfort, technology, or style. This is the heavy-duty pickup for drivers who demand more than just numbers on paper. It's designed to deliver real-world performance, day in and day out, whether you're hauling enormous loads across rugged work sites, towing massive trailers down the highway, or simply taking a long road trip in complete confidence. Chevy has refined the Silverado HD formula yet again, making small but meaningful updates to a truck already regarded as one of the most capable and dependable machines in the segment. Under the hood, you'll find two powertrain options engineered to meet any challenge. The standard engine is a 6.6-liter V8 gasoline powerplant producing 401 horsepower and 464 pound-feet of torque, paired with a smooth and durable 10-speed Allison automatic transmission. This combination delivers solid performance and plenty of muscle for everyday heavy-duty use. But for those who want the ultimate in pulling power, Chevy offers the 6.6-liter Duramax Turbo Diesel V8. This monster cranks out 470 horsepower and an incredible 975 pound-feet of torque, giving the Silverado 3500 HD truly remarkable acceleration and the kind of low-end grunt that makes towing even the heaviest loads feel effortless. Whether you choose gas or diesel, you get a truck that's responsive, confident, and always ready to work. Of course, capability is where heavy-duty trucks earn their reputation, and the Silverado 3500 HD does not disappoint. Depending on configuration, this truck can tow up to a staggering 36,000 pounds with the Duramax diesel engine and a properly equipped dual rear-wheel setup. Even single rear-wheel models easily handle 20,000 pounds conventionally and more than 22,000 pounds with a fifth wheel or gooseneck trailer. Payload is equally impressive, topping out at over 7,200 pounds in certain gas models. No matter the task, whether you're hauling a massive RV, pulling construction equipment, or transporting materials to a remote job site, the Silverado 3500 HD is built to handle it with ease. Chevy's engineers didn't just focus on raw strength, they worked to make that strength usable and predictable. Advanced towing technologies such as an integrated trailer brake controller, trailer sway control, and available trailer camera systems provide better visibility and stability when hauling large loads. Optional features like transparent trailer view, hitch guidance with hitch view, and multiple camera angles give you confidence whether you're backing into a tight space or hooking up a gooseneck in low-light conditions. The goal is to make towing safer and less stressful, even for drivers who may not be veterans of heavy-duty rigs. Step inside, and you'll quickly realize the Silverado 3500 HD is not just a workhorse, it's also a comfortable, connected, and surprisingly refined truck. Base models like the work truck trim are rugged and straightforward, with easy-to-clean surfaces and essential technology such as a 7-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Higher trims such as the LT, LTZ, and High Country transform the cabin into a premium workspace and family hauler, featuring a massive 13.4-inch infotainment display, a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster, wireless charging, premium Bose audio, and even a head-up display on top models. Materials are solid and upscale on higher trims, and thoughtful storage solutions make it easy to keep tools, gear, and personal items organized. On the road, the Silverado 3500 HD rides with a composure that might surprise drivers expecting a harsh, bouncy heavy-duty truck. Chevy has tuned the suspension for stability under load, yet it remains smooth and relatively comfortable even when the bed is empty. Noise isolation is excellent, especially in crew cab models with higher trim levels, giving this truck an almost SUV-like feel on long highway drives. Whether you're commuting to work, hauling cross-country, or heading to a remote campsite, the Silverado 3500 HD combines utility and comfort in a way that few competitors can match. Safety is another area where Chevy has stepped up its game. The Silverado 3500 HD now comes with a standard suite of advanced driver assistance technologies, including forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, following distance indicator, and lane departure warning. Available features include blind spot monitoring with trailer coverage, rear cross traffic alert, adaptive cruise control, and front and rear parking sensors. These features don't just protect the driver, they protect your cargo, your trailer, and everyone else on the road, giving you added confidence when piloting such a massive machine. Visually, the Silverado 3500 HD exudes strength and capability from every angle. The bold front fascia, Muscular fenders, massive grille options, and functional hood scoop on diesel models make it clear that this is no ordinary pickup. Practical touches such as corner steps in the rear bumper, bedside steps ahead of the rear wheels, and an available power tailgate ensure that loading and unloading cargo is as convenient as possible. The truck bed itself offers excellent volume, over 69 cubic feet in the standard bed and more than 83 cubic feet in the long bed, plus an available 120-volt power outlet and integrated tie-downs for serious utility. Pricing reflects the wide range of configurations. A basic Silverado 3500 HD work truck starts around the upper $40,000 range, while mid-level LT and LTZ trims land in the $60,000 S, and a fully loaded high country crew cab dually with the Duramax diesel engine can approach or exceed $85,000. This spread allows buyers to spec the truck exactly for their needs, whether they want a bare-bones work rig or a luxury hauler with every available feature. Critics and truck enthusiasts alike praise the Silverado 3500 HD for its incredible towing power, smooth shifting transmission, comfortable ride, and user-friendly technology. Some have noted that entry-level trims still feel basic compared to rivals, and competitors like Ford's Super Duty and Ram HD offer slightly more upscale interiors in lower trims, but the Chevy wins major points for its combination of performance, practicality, and reliability. For those who value proven durability, massive capability, and a truck that's as comfortable on the highway as it is on the job site, the 2026 Silverado 3500 HD is a top choice. This is more than just a heavy-duty truck, it's a statement of purpose. Whether you're towing across the country, hauling equipment every day, or simply want a pickup that can handle absolutely anything you throw at it, the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD delivers in every respect. With its powerful engine options, refined driving experience, advanced technology, and unbeatable work ethic, this truck isn't just built to do the job. It's built to do it better, smarter, and stronger than ever before.